Okay, hi students. Today we are discussing the topic from the polynomials. The topic is algebraic identities. It is a continuation of the last topic, what we discussed in the last class. So here we discussed there some of the identities. Here we have some more identities which you should remember. First one is x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Remember, these are very important identities. As I told you in the last class, this will continue for your remaining future classes also. So x plus y whole cube, it is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Here you don't get confused. I written two formulas. This formula is derived from the same formula, isn't it? What I read, x cube y cube as it is I written, this 3xy are multiplied, term by term multiplication, 3xy into x, 3x square y, and 3xy into y, which is plus 3xy square. So this formula derived from the same, this formula itself. This is not a different formula for this. Okay, this came from this itself. Similarly, x minus y whole cube is x cube minus y cube plus 3xy into x minus y. So again you see that the another formula same like the last one I did, x cube minus y cube plus 3xy into x, 3x square y minus 3xy into y, 3xy square. The last identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. We can write it as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So basically why we use, even in the last class also I explained you, factorization part. For example, if any term is in this kind, means if it is in this type, you can directly write this, correct? Or if any polynomial or if any algebraic expression of this type, means in this form, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, you can write it as x plus y. So this will help you to factorize the polynomial expressions. Okay. Now we will just do some sums regarding these identities. First one here, it is expand 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. Now see here which identity is suitable. Even I was discussing in the last classes also, whenever you look at an algebraic expression, you should just check which identity is suitable for that. Okay, so in that way you have to proceed. In that case, in these 3 or 4 identities which we have, which can be suitable for that? Okay, if you observe that, can I write that as, just we will expand this sum, 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. Next, the sum is 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Got it? So now expand. How do you expand this? See here, when you continue here, 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. Okay. So always remember, whenever you look at this thing, you have to just check the identities, which identity is suitable for that. So now here it is squared, right? Whenever it is a square, got it? So which here 3 terms are there. In this, the remaining identities we have, only in this identity we have 3 terms. One is 3a plus 4b plus 2. So we can just relate this with this identity. It's very simple. Just you compare this with the formula, which is the identity, x plus y plus z whole square. So if you compare, in the place of x we have 3a, correct? In the place of y we have 4b, in the place of z we have 5c, correct? So x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 4b, and z is equal to 5c. We compared and we got x, y, z values. Just you expand, that's all. So what do you get? What is the formula? X square. So 3a the whole square plus y square 4b the whole square plus z square 5c the whole square plus 2 into x into y. So x into y, which is 3a into 4b plus 2yz, 2 into y into z, 4b into 5c plus 2zx, 2 into z into x. So z is 5c, x is 3a. So just simplify. What is 3a whole square? This square belongs to both the terms, as you know, right? So 3a belongs to both the terms. So 3a whole square. So which will give you 9a square. Because 3 square, a square. This kind of explanation I did in the last classes also. 3 square, a square, which is 9a square, and 4b whole square, which is 4 square, b square, which is 16b square. Correct? Means 4 also gets square, b also gets square. Next, 5c whole square. 5 square, 25, and c square. Next, what will be this? 2 into 3a into 4b. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 4s are 24. So 24ab plus 2 into 4 into 5. So 20 into 2, 40. 40 BC plus 2 into 5 into 3. 5 is 15. 15 to the 30. 30 CA. So this is the expansion of this sum. Okay. I'll just repeat it. Whenever you look at the sum, always just remember the identities. As I told you, you will not be given any identity in the exam. You should remember all the identities as a formula. Should write and practice or whatever you remember, that is left to you. You should, but you have to by heart these identities. So first identity. See this sum, if you just check with all the identities, here 3 terms are there. Easily you can find it out there. In only one identity we have 3 terms, which is the first one. So what is that? X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So substitute, compare this with the identity. So what is x value? 3a. What is y value? 4b. And what is z value? 5c. Correct? What is there in the place of x and y and z? That's all. Just in the place of x we have 3a, y 4b and z 5c. So when you write it, what is the formula we have? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Got it? So x square, which means 3a whole square, plus y square, 4b whole square, plus z square, 5c whole square, and plus 2ab means 2xy, 2 into x into y, 3a into 4b, plus 2 into yz, 4b into 5c, plus 2zx, 2 into 5c into 3a. Afterwards, I just simplified. 3a whole square is 9a square plus 4b whole square is 4 square is 16, 16b square plus 5c whole square, which is 25c square. Got it? So we got 25c square plus 2 into 3 into 4, which is 24ab plus 2 into 5 into 4, which is 40bc plus 2 into 5 into 3, which is 30ac. So this is the expansion. It is not very difficult, remember. It is just simply you have to expand and find it. Okay. Yeah, I hope you understood this. Just I'll move with the next one. Got it? What is the next one? Expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Okay. So see, it is also the same sum, but here you have to understand one thing. Here negative signs are there where we do not have negative sign over there. So can we use that formula here? Yes, you can use. So how can we use it? One thing you just carefully listen. 4a, can I write minus 2b as plus of minus 2b? We know that plus into minus is minus. So minus sign as it is, it will come back when you do it again. And 2b I am writing. And this again I am writing it as minus 3c. Can we write like that? Okay. It means I am converting this 4a minus 2b minus 3c as 4a plus minus 2b plus minus 3c whole square. Remember, plus into minus is minus. When you multiply this back here, 4a plus into minus is minus, so minus 2b, 4a minus 2b, plus into minus is minus, minus 3c, so minus 3c. You are getting this back again. So I can do. When my simplification or conversion is wrong, when you multiply or when you simplify this whatever the original one that you are not able to get it back, then my simplification is wrong. But here it is not the case. Whenever I just send this plus inside, send this plus inside, or plus into minus with minus, plus into minus, we are getting it back. So this is correct way. Got it? You remember that. Not only for this problem, for any problem, this rule remains same. So now x plus y plus z whole square, just compare. What is a value? Plus x value is 4a, and what is y value? Y value is minus 2b plus, but in the place of y we have minus 2b. Remember, should take y as minus 2b and c as minus 3c. Sorry, z as minus 3c. You understood? Plus x is 4a, y is minus 2b, z is minus 3c. Got it? So now just expand, that's all. Just use the formula x square, so which is 4a square whole square plus minus 2b whole square plus minus 3c the whole square plus 2xy, 2 into x into means 4a into y minus 2b. Be careful with the signs, because if you do any mistake, if you do it with respect to sign, definitely you are going to lose the marks, or you will not get the perfect answer. Obviously, your answer will be wrong. So be careful with the signs. And 2xy we written 2yz. So yz in the sense minus 2b into minus 3c plus 2zx, 2 into z. What is z here? Minus 3c. X is 4a. It's very simple. Just I substitute it in the place of x and y. One thing you should remember, your first and foremost work is you should find x, what is x and what is y and z. When you come to know, it may be any expansion, not only for this. Once you come to know x value, y value, z value, just the substitution in the formula is the remaining part you should do. Okay. So now 4a whole square, which is 16a square, plus minus 2b whole square. It means, what is that? Minus 2b whole square is nothing but, you can write like this off, minus 2b into minus 2b. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, correct? And b into b square. Plus minus 3 whole square. Same way, you will get 9c square. Next 2 into 4a into minus 2b, which is minus 8 into 2, which is minus 16. 8 into minus 2, minus 16, ab. Correct? 2 into 4 into minus 2, which is 4 into 8. Remember, plus 4 into minus 2, and everything is plus only. So we'll get minus here. Plus into minus is minus. 4 into 2, 8, 8 to the 16. Next, 2 into minus 2b into minus 3. Here, 2 minus symbols are there. Correct? So minus into minus is plus. So here you will never get negative. So plus 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So 12 BC plus, here you observe, we have plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. Symbol is again very important. Sign is very important. 2 into 3, 6 4s are 24. 24, A into C, A, C. So this is the expansion of 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. I'll just repeat this once again. Whenever you write this, what is it, expansion, sum, we have written this, and afterwards you should just check which identity will be suitable. And obviously here we have minus, but in that identity we have plus. So we have to convert this into that form. How it is possible? I can write minus 2b as plus into minus 2b. It is not wrong. As I said, plus into minus you will get minus, and again you are getting back to original sum. So that is the reason you can write it. Similarly, this is also written as plus into minus 3c whole square. So when you write it, 4a will be taken. When you compare with this, x will be 4a and y will be minus 2b and z will be minus 3c. Just apply in the formula. What is the formula? We have x square. It means 4a whole square plus y square. Y square means minus 2b whole square plus z square. Z square means minus 3c whole square plus 2ab, sorry, 2xy, 2 into x into y, 4a into minus 2. And 2 into yz, y into z, y value is just substitute. And even zx, minus 3 into 4. Afterwards, 4a whole square, which is 16a square, and minus 2b whole square, which is 4b square, because I written here. You can just check it out. Minus 2b whole square is nothing but minus 2b into minus 2b. Always remember, whichever there in the square, whichever the thing you are squaring, you will never get negative values. Okay? Square of any number is always positive. So, minus 2b whole square is obviously 4b square, minus 3c whole square plus 9c square. Here you see the symbol like sign, here plus into minus, plus into minus, minus. So, before only you just write the signs first. Here nothing is there, is plus into plus into minus, minus, so minus. So 2 into 8, 16, 16 into 2, sorry, 2 into 8, 2 into 4, 8 into 2, 16, so 16, A into B, that's all. Next, plus into minus, first plus into minus, minus into minus, plus, so plus. It will be easy to write also. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 1. Next, plus into minus, minus into plus, minus, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24, 24 is, so minus 24 is. This is how you have to expand. Okay. Now we will just go with the next, like sum, which is evaluate using suitable identities. So the first one is 104 whole cube. These sums we already discussed. Not like for cube, we discussed for square. Correct. So how can you do this? See, it's very simple. As I said before, in the last sums also, 104 whole cube. See, you can cube it. The actual multiplication is what basically 104 into 104 you can do. Again, whatever the multiplication product you get, that again you multiply with 104, you will get the answer. That is one way. But they clearly told that we should evaluate using the suitable identity, not by multiplying directly. So clearly you have to understand. So 104 whole cube, which identity can I use? So obviously 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 whole cube, isn't it? 100 plus 4 whole cube. Why can't you write 104 can be written as 100 plus 4. 100 plus 4 will give you 104. So 104 cube can be written as 100 plus 4 whole cube. Which identity it resembles? It is equal to it. If you want to compare, it is resembles with x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube, you can use it. So what is x value? To use that, you should compare. X value is 100 and y value is 4. Can't we write it? Because when you compare that with this, the place of x we have 100 and the place of y we have 4. Got it? So now just use the identity, that's all. What is the identity we have? X cube. Instead of taking the second one, you go with first one. It will be easy for you because x plus y will be there. So easily you can add it. That's the reason. Even it doesn't mean that if you take this, you will not get the answer. Always go with the easiest one, which you can easily get the answer. Even this also, fine, you can use, but the same answer you will get in both the ways. So I'm taking the easier way. X cube means 100 cube plus y cube means, what is y cube? What is y we have taken? 4 cube plus 3 into xy, 3xy. xy in a sense 100 into 4 into x plus y, 100 plus 4. I hope you understood. And remember, whenever you are taking this like expanding, like writing 100, 104 as 100 plus 4, why can't you write 104 as 99 plus 5 also? That is also possible. But why I am not taking? Do you guys think about it? Remember, 100 cube easily you can find. 4 cube easily you can find. 4 into 4 and 4 into 60 into 4 is 64. So like that you can easily find. But if you take 99 cube, you have to multiply again. And directly you can multiply. Why do you take this identity, isn't it? Whenever you are using identities, you should go in an easier way. And whenever you take the values of x and y, that values are in such a way that when you cube it or square it, easily you can get the answer. 100 cube easily you can do. Just adding 3 more zeros to 1. That's all. So that's the reason you have to take the values in such a way that which you can get the which your simplification makes simpler. Got it? So now 100 cube is nothing but 2 zeros, 2 zeros, and again 2 more zeros. Isn't it? So simply just add, already 2 zeros are there, 4 more zeros you add, 4 cube. And everybody knows 4 cube is 4 into 4, 16, 16 4 the 64, plus 3 into 100 into 4. Okay, so which will give you 1200 into 104. So here you have to do little multiplication, that's all. So if you do 1200 into 104, how much you will get? Just you do 104 into 12. 12 fours are 48 and 12 0 0 4. 12 ones are 12. So it is, what it? 124H. Okay, I hope understood. And here we are doing with 1200, so obviously 2 more zeros will come. So how many zeros? This simplification part is not that much difficult. You just add it, that's all. Okay, add and simply like multiply. And I'm going in an easier way. How many zeros are there? 6 zeros. Put 6 zeros. Okay, got it? And next, 124 800. Right like this. And this is very simple math. I think I no need to teach it again. So just anyway, I'm making you simpler. Written this 10 zeros, 1, 2, 4, 8 zeros, and 64. Easily you can calculate 4, 6, 8, 4, 2, 1. So what will be the answer? 1124, 864. Even we can tell in millions, or you can tell in Indian system, 11 crores, 2 lakh, or 1 lakh, 1 crore, 12 lakh, 4,864. 1 crore, 12 lakh, 4,864. Okay, I hope you know the number systems and all. Okay, and 1 lakh, 1 crore, 12 lakh, 4,864. This is how you have to expand. Okay, again just look at it. 104 whole cube I am doing. So 104 whole cube can witness 100 plus 4 whole cube. So 100 plus 4 whole cube is same as x plus y whole cube. So what is x plus y whole cube? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. See, we have two formulas. Always go with the easiest one. So I'm going with the first one because for this case it is easy. Okay? It doesn't mean, as I told you, even if you do the normal multiplication with the second one also you will get it. But first one, it is easy. You will come to know why it is easy. 100 cube, x cube plus y cube, 3 into x into y. So xy multiplied x into y and x plus y. 104, 100 plus 4. So 100 cube, which is just 2 zeros means cube means just add 2 pace. Okay, plus 4 cube is 64, 3 into 100 into 4, 1200 into 104. Just I multiplied 1200 into 104. There we got some 12,000, 1,24,800, and all these three terms you add, you will get 1 crore, 12 lakh, 4,084. Got it? Okay. Now we will do one more sum of the same type. Here the difference, if you observe, here we have 999 whole cube. So 999, how do you write 999? Again they are telling you are not supposed to use the multiplication, you should use identities clearly. So this 199 can be written, 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1, agree? Okay, 999 is nothing but 1000 minus 1, which is 999. So 999 whole cube can be written as x minus y, and this is just like x minus y whole cube. Correct? Before it was x plus y, now it is x minus y. Just use the same, but this formula here, x cube. What is the x value here? X value is 1000, y value is 1. So what is the first thing you have to do? X cube. So 1000 cube minus y cube, okay, minus plus 3xy, 3 into x into y into x minus y, okay, 3xy into x. Just I did only the substitution for that, correct? X cube minus y cube plus 3xy into x minus y. So what is your 1000 cube? Obviously it is, you get more zeros 3 times, again one more 3 times, minus 1 plus 300 into 99. So you just multiply 99 with 300. So how much you get? 3 nines are 27, 3 nines are 27, 29. So 29700. Correct? 29700 and 1000 minus 1. What is 1000 minus 1? See, sorry, not 1000. It may be a bigger number. 3 zeros, 2 zeros, again 2 zeros. It comes under 100 million around, isn't it? Not even 100 million, 6 zeros. 1000 millions it will come. Okay, in the English system, if you say it is 1000 million. So 1000, this 1000 million minus 1, it's very simple. One digit, how many digits are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 9 nines, that's all. 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 nines you write. See, I'll give an easy tip for you. 100 minus 1, how much? 99. 1000 minus 1, how much? 999. See, 100, how many digit number? 3 digit number. When you subtracted 1, you got 2 digit number, which is 99. 1000, when you subtracted from, you got 3 digits, 99. Here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are there. 10, obviously, we are doing minus 1. So, 10 minus 1, how many nines? 9 nines. So, 9 nines you write. That's all. Very simple, you can remember. So, that plus 2000, 29,700. So, you write 9 nines, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 29,700. Just add it, 9 plus 7, 16, and 9 plus 9, 18, 19, alright, and 12. So, this 9, 1, 10, again 10, again 10. Okay, so 9 plus 0, 9, 0, 9, 9 plus 7, how much? 16, right? 9 plus 7, 16, so 16, 1 you'll go here, so 9, 9, 8, 19, so 19, 9, 3, 12, so 12, okay? Got it, so 12 again, yeah, I'll just, yeah, I think this addition part you guys know. No need to worry about it. I'm not explaining that because it is not a simple, like it is a simple addition. Okay. You can write it. Fine. So that will be your final answer. Just I added, that's all. Add it. So 16 and again 19. So we'll get 12. So 12 will come here again. Yeah. In 9, whatever it is, just you will be left with this answer. So I hope I will not do the calculation because I left you to do the calculation because I don't want the calculations to be done. Okay, let you guys only do the calculation and let me know the answer. Isn't it? Will it not be good? Fine, I'll give this to you. So you just calculate it and find it. What will be the answer? Okay, I'll just explain this once again. 999 whole cube can be written as 1000 minus 1 whole cube, and 1000 you take the x and y you take it 1, which resembles x minus y whole cube formula, x cube plus y minus y cube plus 3xy into x minus y. Just substitute there. When you substitute that, x cube minus y cube plus 3xy into x minus 5, and 1000 cube is nothing but, see, 3 times, 2 pairs you have to solve. Minus 1 and 3 into 100. 300 into 99. Just solve it. And as we know, 100 minus 9 is 99. Similarly, whatever this 100 million minus 1 is, you will get 9 nines, remember, plus 20 times 700. You just do it. Just simplification. That will be your final answer. I hope this identities, applying the identity is not very much difficult. But one thing I will tell you, remember the identities. Very, very important. Understood? Okay, practice and remember. Anyway, thank you. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day for you.